In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HR of any company on LinkedIn. This process is straightforward, but with a few tips and tricks, you can really optimize your search and connect with the right people. So, let's dive in. First things first, you're going to need to open up your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. You can do this by typing LinkedIn.com into the browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the website, make sure you're signed in. If not, you'll need to log in, which you can do using your Google or Microsoft account, or by simply entering your email address and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Now, turn your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. This is key to finding the HR contacts you're looking for. Go ahead and type the name of the company you are interested in. Let's say you want to connect with someone from Google's HR department. Type Google into the search bar and press enter. This action will lead you to a page full of search results. What you are looking for is the official LinkedIn page for the company. Once you've spotted it, click on it to proceed. Upon reaching the company's profile page, you'll notice several tabs near the top, such as Home, Jobs, and People. For our purpose, click on the People tab. This section provides a comprehensive list of LinkedIn members who are currently employed at or have previously worked for the company. It's a great starting point, but to make your search more effective, use the filters available on the left side of the page. You can refine your search by location or whether the individuals are current or past employees. Focus on finding specific titles. HR-specific contacts often hold titles like HR Manager, Talent Acquisition Specialist, Recruiter, or simply Human Resources. These are the folks most likely involved in the hiring process and can offer valuable insights or connections. After identifying some potential contacts, spend a moment reviewing their profiles. Once you feel confident, you might decide to send a connection request. If so, consider accompanying it with a personalized message. This greatly increases your chance of establishing a meaningful connection. Make the message concise, but personal. Explain who you are and why you'd like to connect with them. Should you want to be even more specific, try typing hiring and then the job title you are interested in into the search bar while still on the company's LinkedIn People page. This can help you find exactly who is responsible for specific hiring decisions. Finally, if you are hoping to obtain more direct contact information but can't spot an email address right away, don't shy away from politely requesting this information in your LinkedIn message. It's quite common to ask for professional contact details, especially if you're reaching out for job search or networking reasons. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building valuable professional relationships with HR professionals on LinkedIn. Good luck and happy networking!